Good afternoon everybody, Techout here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This is the just the regular Galaxy Watch 4, it's not the classic. And I went ahead and picked this up from Best Buy. I was actually surprised to find them in stock there. I know they were having some shipping issues from Samsung and delays and stuff like that. I actually picked this up in the green color just because it was a really dark green and it looked kind of cool. So I figured I'd go with something different this time around and pick up that in the Watch 4. Looks like it is taped on both sides. This is also just the Bluetooth Wi-Fi one. It's not the cellular model. Just no point in spending the extra money on that when I always have my phone with me. So I'd be paying for the plan and stuff like that and never use it. Ooh, and that is really nice. I actually like the design and the kind of the edges and the way the, you know, just the round flat edges on this one opposed to the classic. So that is what you get right there. Let's see, I think there is, oh yeah, everything else is in the top lid here. I was going to say, I know they include a charge cable at least. Yep, so here is your paperwork and charging cable right here. I'm actually just going to leave that in the box, but it is in there. Reason I'm leaving it in the box is because I have the wireless charger trio, which charges 2 phones and a watch. So I'm going to be using that. I'll be having a video come out on this one shortly, as soon as I unbox that. But that is the green Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I'm not going to do a setup video or anything like that with this, but I will do a review video after I get some time to play around with it and use it and let you guys know what I think about it. That's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Make sure you check out my other content on my Flip 3. I have an unboxing and first day review on that as well. So go ahead and make sure you check that out. And as always, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to have a great day.